Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your world explorer. Right now we're going to take a look at a bunch of pots where I had placed muscadine grape seeds into August 8th of last year. Now it is currently February the 19th, 2022, so it took that long for these muscadine grape seeds to germinate, to sprout. Now, not all of them are performing, but there are a few right there that are coming up. So basically they stratified from the winter weather, and that stratification process is essential to initiate the germination of these seeds. Just so you know, for future reference. Anyhow, I'll keep you updated on the progress of these muscadine grapes, and in probably like a month or two I'll be placing them somewhere in the yard. I have to figure out where I'm going to place them. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel out quite a bit. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.